discover the best blood cancer treatment options in India, including procedures, types, costs, top hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Uncover the latest advancements in healthcare for blood cancer with this comprehensive guide. Are you or a loved one battling against the daunting diagnosis of blood cancer? In recent years, India has emerged as a global hub for cutting-edge medical treatments, offering hope and healing to patients from around the world. Understanding blood cancer, types and treatment approaches. Types of blood cancer. 1. Leukemia, a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow, causing an abnormal production of white blood cells. 2. Lymphoma, cancer that originates in the lymphatic system, affecting the lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. 3. Multiple myeloma, a cancer that arises in plasma cells, a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies. 4. Myelodysplastic syndromes, MDS, a group of disorders characterized by abnormal development of blood cells in the bone marrow. Treatment approaches. Chemotherapy, administering drugs to kill cancer cells. Radiation therapy, using high-energy rays to destroy cancer cells. Stem cell transplant, replacing damaged bone marrow with healthy stem cells. Targeted therapy, utilizing drugs that target specific molecules involved in cancer growth. Best hospitals for blood cancer treatment in India. India boasts a plethora of world-class hospitals renowned for their expertise in oncology and cutting-edge treatment facilities. Some of the top hospitals for blood cancer treatment in India include Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon, Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad, AIIMS, New Delhi, Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. Costs of blood cancer treatment in India. The cost of blood cancer treatment in India varies depending on the type of cancer, stage of treatment, hospital facilities, and the patient's specific needs. On average, the costs for common treatments are as follows: chemotherapy, $1,000 to $5,000 per cycle. Stem cell transplant, $18,000 to $35,000. Radiation therapy, $3,000 to $6,000 per session. Success rates and inspiring stories. India's healthcare industry has witnessed remarkable success rates in blood cancer treatment, with many patients achieving remission and leading healthy lives post-treatment. Here are some inspiring success stories that highlight the resilience and triumph of individuals in their battle against blood cancer. Mariam's journey to remission. After undergoing a successful stem cell transplant at Medanta, the Medicity, Mariam is now cancer-free and living life to the fullest. Ahmed's fight against lymphoma. Ahmed's journey at Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad, serves as a beacon of hope for many battling against lymphoma, showcasing the power of advanced medical interventions. In conclusion, the landscape of blood cancer treatment in India is characterized by innovation, expertise, and a commitment to transforming lives. With state-of-the-art facilities, skilled healthcare professionals, and a patient-centric approach, India stands at the forefront of the global fight against blood cancer, offering hope and healing to those in need. Let us join hands in spreading awareness, advocating for early detection, and supporting individuals on their journey towards recovery and wellness. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.